I wanted to show you this slightly scary ride here on the north coast of Spain, going down to the so-called Playa Bayota, which is just maybe 10-15 minutes outside of Llanes. And the road definitely is far from paved. Lots of potholes. Whoa. And I wanted to go down here and see what's waiting down at the bottom, so let's have a peek. Yeah, so today is my last full day here in Asturias. I sat down with the owner of the hotel where I'm staying right now, Lucas, I think his last name is Casijao or something like that, from the Posada de Babel. And he sort of helped me map out a little driving tour for today, if I get there, because this drive is certainly rather hair-raising. I wonder if anybody's going to be there at this beach today, simply because it's a little bit overcast. So I'm going to see. Whoa, that's interesting. I guess it ends here, or do I have to go back? Let me reverse for a second here. I guess it continues down that way. That's a pretty narrow path. Let's see how far I'm gonna get. Interesting driving too with one hand. I guess it continues here. You never know where you're gonna get. Life is like a box of chocolates. Alright, there are people here. Look at this. So, let's have a peek. This certainly looks interesting. Okay. Let's get out of the car. Let me grab the key. And I'm going to show you where I am here. I think there have been people camping overnight. So let me lock the car. Hola. So, what does the beach look like here? Interesting. This is sort of a really rough, wild beach. Not much of a beach cabana or a beach restaurant here. I think this was a restaurant a while ago, but hasn't been for a while. But certainly beautiful landscape. And interesting rock formations. Very, very twisted, almost volcanic looking like rock over there. And a nice but completely empty beach here in Asturias. See, up at the top here you see a Volkswagen van parked. I have a feeling that that guy is staying here overnight, or maybe several nights, camping in the wild. And here there's a path down to the actual beach here. Very interesting. Mountain formations all around. And a former beach cabana. Here we go.